In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a row in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to make room for new data without disrupting your layout, inserting a row in just the right spot is the way to go. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can do it with confidence every time. First, open your Google Sheets document. Make sure the sheet you want to edit is visible and you can see the row where you want the new row to appear. It helps to decide up front whether you want the new row to land above or below a specific existing row, because your next action depends on that choice. Next, select the row you're going to use as your reference point. On the far left side of the sheet, you'll see row numbers. Click the number of the row itself, not just a cell within the row. When you click the row number, the entire row will highlight across the sheet, which is exactly what you want. If only a single cell is highlighted, click the row number again to make sure the whole row is selected. Now right-click directly on that row number to open the context menu. You should see a set of options tailored to the row. If you don't see the menu you expect, double-check that you right-clicked the number at the left, not inside a cell. That small detail ensures you're working with row-level commands. To add a row above your selected row, click Insert One above. Google Sheets will immediately create a new blank row directly above the row you selected, shifting the existing data down. This is useful when you want to insert a header, a note, or new entries that logically come before the current row. If instead you want the new row to appear below, click Insert One below. The sheet will insert a blank row right beneath your selected row, pushing any existing rows down from that point. Choose this option when the new information naturally follows what's already there. After you choose either option, the new row will be inserted in the selected position. You'll see row numbers adjust automatically, and the row will be empty and ready for data. Any formatting that's applied to neighboring rows may carry over depending on your sheet setup, and formulas that reference ranges typically update to include the new row, keeping your calculations intact. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, select the row number, right-click, and choose whether you want the new row above or below. With this simple workflow, you can keep your spreadsheet tidy and structured as your data grows.